Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Land Rover Remote app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Land Rover Remote is an app designed to give Land Rover vehicle owners remote access and control over their cars. The app offers features such as remote start and stop, locking and unlocking doors, locating the vehicle via GPS, and checking vehicle status including fuel level and maintenance alerts. It also supports sending destinations to the in-car navigation system and accessing roadside assistance. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the convenience of managing their vehicle remotely, especially for preconditioning the climate and securing the car. The app's interface is generally user-friendly, with smooth connectivity to the vehicle. Real-time updates and location tracking add to peace of mind. The integration with the vehicle systems is a strong plus, making everyday tasks easier for owners. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connection drops or delays in commands reaching the vehicle. Subscription fees apply for some features, which might deter casual users. Additionally, functionality depends heavily on the vehicle model and region, so not all users experience the same range of services. Certain updates and bug fixes have been slow to roll out in the past. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Land Rover Remote app may be worth using if you own a compatible Land Rover vehicle and want the convenience of remote control and monitoring. It excels in ease of use and feature integration but could be limited by subscription costs and connectivity issues. If you rely on remote vehicle management, it's definitely worth considering. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.